Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. My name is Mark. And for tonight we will be listening and reacting to a cover by Franz Rhythm, you know, the father and kids jamming. The song that they will cover is from Asin, the band. So for those who are not Filipino, Asin is in English salt. And the title of the song is Usok or Smoke.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
So this was recommended to us by Ramel. So it's a username. Ramel Mayor Mita 8709. Thank you for this recommendation. Also thank you to all our viewers and subscribers. Maraming salamat sa engagement and interaction ninyo. To our dear members and sponsors, maraming salamat sa extra loving. Huwag sana kayo magsawa. And finally, do check out Posh and Helio. So it's a renamed channel that features our adorable fur babies, Posh and Helio. And without any further delays, let's give the song a go in 3, 2, 1.
Parang usok, unti-unting nagalaho. Tanging hiling ko lang sa'yo, nakaraan ay tanggapin, at ang ngayon ay harapin. Ang bukas mo'y darapin pa, kaya't huwag sanang damdamin, pagkat ito'y payo lamang mula sa akin, kaibigan, na sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng tuwang ang puso mong nalulumbang. Kaya't huwag sanang damdamin, pagkat ito'y payo lamang mula sa akin, kaibigan, na sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng tuwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawalan, nalilito ang tulad mo'y parang usok, unti-unting nagalaho.
salamat po!
God bless everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, Friends Rhythm Channel. Love, love, love. Thank you.
And that is the end of the song. So they really captured the that reggae vibe sa song na to, in this song. I like the sound of the guitar. Yung choice nung effect niya, 'di ba? Yung when you strum it, chak chang, you know. I don't know, maybe parang parang clean tone lang yung ginamit eh. Let me know in the comments or maybe hindi. I think there was some chorus pero medyo mild chorus effect na that was used. Tapos the bass naman, yung sound niya, yung tama lang yung taba. Kumbaga, 'di ba there are some bass configurations, siguro configuration na yon, yung nasa bass lang talaga, yung parang masyadong ma-bass na hindi na audible, hindi na siya intelligible. Yung hindi mo na maintindihan yung notes na piniplay na parang boom 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 boom. Ito clear pa rin siya pero mataba pa rin, bass pa rin yung sound. Ayan. Ito. What's interesting sa song, 'di ba? Yung may percussion part siya, 'di ba? Yung tak-tak, ding teng 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 tak. At first hinahanap ko kung sino 'yon. Kasi syempre at first you will think it's the drums, 'di ba? Yung tak. But it turns out it was the dad din, yung kasi yung percussion kasi when you look at the yung sa band as a whole, hindi siya obvious eh, para siyang hidden object eh. Pero yun nga, you can see him minsan inaabangan niya yung timing niya, and then he'll hit it with his fingers. So parang pinipitik niya ng tatlong daliri. Tak. Parang ganoon. Siguro tatlo tas isang follow up. Tak. Galing. So very yun, creative yun na But I think there is that part naman talaga yung sa song. Speaking of, yung song ng Asin, din to sa maraming airplay rin to. Kasi up to this date, I think piniplay pa rin naman yan eh. But the thing is about the band, hindi ko alam na yun yung title. Alam mo yung song, di ba? You know yung groove eh. But the title, hindi siya yung familiar. Usok pala yung title niya. Anyway, one thing I noticed sa grupo, or in this particular song siguro, ngayon ko lang napansin eh. So let me know if there's a story behind it. Nakapa sila mag-perform. Meron akong kilalang ganyan mag-perform, si Agaw Agimat, 'di ba? Yung kumanta ng sabihin man nila ako, yun nakapa yun. I think I forgot, vocalist ng Yano also performs barefoot. Pero hindi ko alam kung consistent na pero si Agaw Agimat, I think I saw them nag-perform sa Itbulaga, tapos isang live concert. Ayun yung napansin ko. So let me know kung merong kung merong backstory doon. Pero usually naman pag yung pag performers on barefoot, yung parang they want a feel of the stage, kaya nila, or yung lugar, para magkaroon sila ng parang certain level of comfort para when they perform maganda yung output, yung kinalabasan. So I guess maybe yun din yung rationale nila. So sa lead part, so ang napansin ko sa lead part, actually swabe yung lead eh, kuha siya eh. Pero yung I noticed, dalawa yung lead part dito, 'di ba? Yung unang lead part hindi niya ginamitan ng effect, kumbaga, or hindi niya switch yung pickup, kung aling pickup config, yung aling pickup yung pagaganahin niya. Kasi yung gitara niya parang Strat style, 'di ba? So there is yung pickup na malapit sa neck, yung sa leeg ng gitara, merong pickup na malapit sa bridge part kung saan nakasuksok yung string, tapos meron sa gitna. Hindi ko na notice na nagpalit siya. So kung ano yung pickup na setup niya na ginagamit niya kapag written, yun rin yung ginamit niya sa lead part. So I'm not sure kung personal preference yon or baka nakalimutan or what have not. Pero ako, syempre kung lead part, ang preference ko medyo i-emphasize ko yung lead. So, yung something na medyo aangat ng konti. And, yun, noticeable yun, yung second lead part, yung bandang ending na ng song, gumamit na siya ng ibang hindi siya gumamit ng ibang, I didn't notice kung nagpalit siya ng pickup configuration, anong pickup, pero gumamit na siya ng effect. So, yun nga yung pinopoint out ko na, yung kapag part mo yon, moment to shine mo, medyo angat ka dapat ng konti. So yun, naglagay siya ng some sort of overdrive yata. Kasi parang, siya medyo mild na, yung parang nadagdagan ng gain yung medyo may konting kagat yung sound, yung ng niya. So yun, overall, kuha yung niya. Gusto ko yung reggae vibe na, I like the reggae vibe of the song. So, tapos yung, ayun, there's one more thing. Yung after nung first lead part, yung kumanta ng chorus, yung kapatid na nasa keyboards. Di ba? Yan, noticeable din. So, kung titignan mo talaga, may everyone, except for the drummer, kasi I have not heard the drummer, or hindi ko naala, I don't remember yung drummer singing or doing backup. Pero yung I can say from yung sa observation ko, yung dad, yung guitarist tsaka yung keyboards, talagang may boses sila. So I hope yung sa mga susunod na video, tatry ko, baka hindi ko lang napansin. I'll try to take notice kung yung drummer also does some singing parts. For now, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.